So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from our layer. So go to select, remove BG. And now we need to watch a short ad, just press OK. So here it is. And now right click on the raster mask and then click on apply. And now I'm going to increase the size of my Canva. So go to image and then Canva size. So I'm going to increase the width to 3000. So I'm just going to type 3000 and then press OK. And now let's select the zoom tool, right click, zoom out. And now select the move tool, check the transform controls. And now I'm going to scale down my layer, so here. So I think I'm going to leave it here like this, so here it is. And now I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon, place it under the person layer. And now I'm going to change the foreground color to white. And for the background, left click, so I'm going to select, for example, red color. So I'm going to select this red color here, press OK. So I'm going to select this one, press OK. Select the gradient tool, make sure the gradient is radial and it goes from white to red. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient, so here like this. And now select the zoom tool, left click here to zoom in, then right click, fit the area. And now let's select the person layer. And now we need to make selections on the person here. So I'm just going to select the rectangle select tool. And now I'm going to make selection here from the top. So I just want to make all the parts. So here it is easy for me. And then Control C to copy. And then Control V to paste. So if I hide the person, so here it is on its own layer. And now select the move tool. And now in order to scale the layer from one side, this layer here from just one side, hold the shift key and then scale it from the side you want. So for example, I will scale it from the right. So the icon needs to be in this shape here, so you'll be able to scale it by holding shift key. So here it is. And now I'm just going to click on this icon here to confirm. And now I'm going to reveal the person. And now let's place the pixel stretch under the person. So here it is. And now I'm going to crop this layer here, because if I select the zoom tool, right click, zoom out. So if I select the move tool, so as you can see, the pixel stretch here is over the Canva. So just go to the crop tool, left click here, make sure to select trim, make sure to select delete crop pixels, and then just, so here, this is the shape I want, the Canva, and then just click on this icon here to confirm. So now if I select the move tool, so here it is. And now select the pixel stretch, this one here, go to edit, transform, and then select warp. And now I'm going to move this handle here to the top like this. So here it is, and I just click here to confirm. And now select the zoom tool, left click. And now I just need to darken this part here to make it like it's folding. So I need to select it first. So I'm going to use, for example, the polygon lasso tool. So now I'm just going to make a selection here. So here it is. I will start it from here. So if you made a mistake here in the selection, just press the backspace. So here it is. Now I can select again. And now, for example, can go over. So here like this. Let's close it. And now we need to create a new layer. Click on this icon. So here it is. Select the brush tool. Change the foreground color to black. Press OK. So here are the settings I'm using. The size 600. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit. The hardness 31 and the flow 40. And now I'm just going to paint. So here just to add the kind of shadow. So here like this. And now go to select, deselect. And now make selection here from the pixel stretch. Right click, select pixels. And now select the layer with the black here with the shadow. just add your raster mask here to clip the layer to the pixel stretch, and now right click on the raster mask and then apply. And now let's select the zoom tool, right click, hit the area. And now if you want to add the kind of highlight on the stretch here, I'm going to create another layer. So here it is. Change the foreground color to white. Press OK. Select the brush tool. I'm just going to use the same settings. Going just to reduce a little bit the size. And now let's select the pixels. Stretch here again. Select it. Right click. Select pixels. And then select the new layer we created. And now I'm just going to paint. So here it is. And now let's change the layer mode here to overlay. Now you can reduce the size, the opacity, sorry. So here like this. And now go to select, deselect. Now I'm going to hide the background layer. And now hold the Alt key, the Shift key and the Control key and then press E to create a new layer from what's visible on the Canva. So here it is. Now if I hide these layers and then reveal the background, so here it is. I'm just going to add the reflection. So I'm going to duplicate this layer, right click, duplicate layer. I'm going to select the bottom one, go to edit, transform, and then select flip vertically. And now select the move tool, uncheck the transform controls. And now in order to move your layer on same line here, just hold the shift key while moving the layer with the move tool. So here it is. And now I'm going to add the raster mask. So make sure the foreground color is black, press OK. And the background color is white, press OK. Select the gradient tool, change the shape to linear. And now I'm just going to trace here my gradient on the raster mask here. So here it is. Now you can control the opacity. And for example, for the background layer, so if you want to change the color, select it, left click here, and then select the hue and saturation. And now change the hue. And now you can, for example, try to find the best color that suits this image here. So for example, I'm going to leave to this one here. So here it is.